In the last video, we talked about why the certainty of evidence scores might be downgraded during a grade analysis. In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 reasons that scores might be upgraded during that same analysis. Now, because non-randomized or observational studies start out with a low certainty score, what we're talking about in this video with upgrading are those kinds of studies, because there is something about them that makes them stronger and therefore allows us to be more confident in the findings as related to our study question. So there are 3 reasons why studies might be upgraded. The first is strength of association. So maybe the study wasn't randomized in terms of who participated, but the study did include groups of people who did or didn't receive the intervention, in this case a vaccine. And the effects were so great between the vaccinated and the unvaccinated group that we can be more certain of that association being true, being the actual finding. Now, there are numerical bases for making that upgrade, but that's part of this process, and the study authors would be looking at that. A second reason to upgrade the certainty of the data would be if there are dose response effects. So for example, if the study tested different doses and with increasing doses, we saw increased immune responses if that was what was being measured, or if infections were being measured, we saw decreasing numbers of infections as the doses increased, then that would be another reason that we could be more certain of those data because they held with the different doses. The third reason to upgrade is if the effects might be underestimated. So for example, maybe we're looking at an epidemiological study, but we know that it was evaluating the presence of a side effect that might be occurring that we're concerned about. If that side effect or the potential for that side effect was discussed a lot in the media, for example, then more people would be likely to look for that side effect, notice it, and report it. So because more positives, i.e. people who had that side effect, were actually included, then if we find no effect in the epidemiological study, we can be more assured that that is a true effect because we would have been more likely to see the result on account that we had more people reporting it. So I hope that helps. I hope you've enjoyed watching the videos. Please be sure to check our channel and please help us by subscribing and watch for our upcoming videos.